Hi, my name is Kirk, 29 years old, and galing ako sa pamilya ng mga seafarers.
Hi guys, my name is Vern. Ang OFW sa family namin is my parents. Sila is domestic helper po in Athens, Greece.
Hi, I'm Angel Carino. So my mom used to be an OFW. So she stayed in Dubai for I think more than 40 years of her life. And she was a designer, like she makes gowns for the people in Dubai.
Hi, I'm JR. So I have a tita working as a private nurse before in Italy.
My name is Miles. I have a mother na nasa Dubai, so she's working there as a doctor.
Ako si Zab, ang dad ko yung OFW. Ang trabaho niya doon ay glass cutter. So ang ginagawa niya lang doon usually is chine-check niya yung pantay, yung cut nung salamin.
So, most memorable moment na hanggang ngayon is naalala ko pa is yung last year, Christmas. After 10 years, it was our first Christmas together again as a family.
When I was younger, I would always say the memorable experience ko with her was when she would fly to the Philippines. But then, as I was looking back, I realized that actually the most memorable experience was when she decided to move back to the Philippines.
So my most memorable moment is when he gets home, he collects the sizes of our shoes.
So, yung pinaka-memorable experience ko is yung tinatawag nating salubong. This is where sasalubungin yung relative nyo pagkadating niya galing abroad. So, in my case, my dad, usually sinusundo namin siya either sa airport, sa hotel, or sa mall. And yung excitement na nadarama ko pag darating na yung day na yun. And on the day itself, and pag sinalubong na namin yung dad ko, hindi ko siya makakalimutan.
Yung first, ever since 7 years old kasi, hindi namin siya nakita. Kasi dun siya sa Dubai and sobrang busy sa work, ganyan. So, nakita na lang ulit namin siya nung umuwi siya dito noong 2017. So, 2003 siya umalis. Umuwi siya dito 2017. So, yun yung kita ulit namin. So, isipin mo, ganito kami kaliit nun. Ganito ako kaliit pag uwi niya. Ganun na. So, sobrang big difference. Most of my life, hindi namin siya nakasama.
So ang memorable story ko sa tatay ko yung pag umuwi siya, naalala ko. Ako yung huling lalapit sa kanya kasi ako yung may special na pasalubong. Tapos basta super special lagi yung nare-receive kong pasalubong sa kanya kasi bunso ako nung panahon na yun. Nakakatuwa lang kasi yung mga sumunod sa akin, may istorya yon na parang every 2 years, pag umuwi siya, tapos aalis, nabubuntis si nanay. So parang yung may pattern na every 2 years, may baby na dumarating. So kaya kami naging 10.
He collects the sizes of our shoes in via bond paper, if you're familiar with that. And then she gets to take it to Italy so that she can buy us shoes there. And also, 2 of his children lived with us for the time that she's in Italy.
And then the most memorable experience is yung umuwi siya ulit noong 2022 for my wedding.
Kasi syempre, sobrang excited ako. Ang tagal kong hindi nakita yung dad ko. And pag nagkita na, andun yung hugs, andun yung kamustahan, and pag tapos na yung mga drama, yung exciting part na hindi ko makakalimutan is yung sabihin ko na, Pa, asa na pa yung pasalubong ko? So yeah, yun yung bagay na hindi ko makakalimutan bilang anak ng isang seaman.
Yung pinaka nakakatuwa lang is yung pinainom niya ako ng Pilsen. Tuwan-tuwa ako doon kasi medyo siguro nasa 13, 14 years old ako noon. Eh sabi ko, anong lasa? Kasi di ba yung itlog malangsa. Sabi niya, tikman mo na. So ginawa niya, nilagyan niya ng Pilsen yung baso. Tapos biglang nilagyan niya ng itlog. Nagulat ako. Tapos sabi niya, tikman. So nung tinikman ko, sobrang hindi ko na gustuhan yung lasa. Nabuga ko sa mukha niya. So, tuwa ako doon.
It was my wedding in 2015. So she made my gown and she flew back to the Philippines, of course, to attend my wedding. And then on the day of my wedding, when she was giving her speech, she actually announced that she's planning to stay for good and that she's not leaving the country again. So yeah, I guess that's like the highlight of one of the highlights of the wedding, realizing that I'll be spending more time with her and really making up for the time that we lost together.